In the last video, we completed the 6 steps of how to integrate the FastAPI application with the Flet application and serve both the Flet and the FastAPI app off of the single FastAPI instance. Our application is Flet app is running off of FastAPI. We also have a FastAPI endpoint here that's serving up some data, or basic message here. However, we don't have the data from FastAPI into the Flet app. We're going to take care of that today. So at the top here, import So we can't use request because it doesn't support async. There's a context manager in Python, which is with as, which we are using to handle the async client connection. httpx is the package we just installed. Within httpx, there is a async client that we will be using, and we're going to use a handle client. All right, so this with as is from standard Python, and the httpx async client is what we're going to use to make the call FastAPI page. So we'll grab the response. Just local host 8000. It's the endpoint we just defined. Hello. And we'll grab the data response JSON from httpx. Recall, we have the message, and it should return this thing right there. That should be our message. We have the page from up here. Just run the page.update here. Okay, so in the main, we just have the simple getting data from FastAPI backend, but we'll also now get the data from FastAPI, and we'll update page. Okay, we'll run it UV-corn main:app. Press enter here, and we'll check it out. And it's working. This section here is what we have from FastAPI. in the update data, updating the message right there. Maybe I'll put it as green. We have it as green here, and maybe I guess I'll just make it bigger too. This is from the Flet app, and this is the data that's coming from the FastAPI backend. The data itself is isolated in this method here from FastAPI. The rest of this is just for the stallion to get the data over.